Rachel, and what we're going to be talking about today briefly is some problems we've been having with our new song request show.
Yep.
One of them is with people leaving perverted comments.
Ew.
Yeah, we don't really appreciate it, and we're assuming it's guys because it has to do with a lot of guy words, which I'm really not going to talk about because it's so inappropriate.
Yep.
So please, if you're one of those people that you know you're doing it, just please stop.
Yeah, it drives some people away, and we really don't appreciate that.
And anyway, there's another problem, and
it is people requesting songs just to be funny so that we embarrass ourselves.
Yeah, because I'm sorry, but there's one that requested Akon and one that requested Bon Jovi. Well, hello, we're girls, so we can't really sing guy songs that well unless the guy sings extremely high, which, as example, Jason Mraz sings pretty high, so we were able to sing his song on our latest video. But no other guy songs, please.
Right.
And just so you know, if you do request one, it doesn't mean we're going to sing it if it's a guy song, because we're not going to embarrass ourselves on our own music request show.
Yep. So, and please leave some nice comments and some suggestions, and please subscribe because there's plenty more in store because we'll be singing way better when we don't have colds. Bye guys.
Bye.